Okay guys, so what is Steve Tristan known for? Huh? He is known for what? DIY Aidan?
His turkeys.
Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. No, do not do that. Come in the camera with me. Stop right there. Say hi. So what's up?
Hi.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
It's not Thanksgiving yet, but we'll put this video out during Thanksgiving as well. Wild turkeys. So, when's the last time you saw a wild turkey? Oh, he did it! Look at Aidan did it. All right.
I thought I was gonna do.
It's pretty cool, huh? All right, guys. Thank you. Take care. God bless.
I'll catch you next time.
And gobble gobble you later. When you're camping, and the best thing you can make